Hi there. You may know the story that I have been fostering Augie, the little pit bull from Friends to the Forlorn, for a little over a year. Just a few days ago, his story aired on the Dodo. And by the way, I will put the link to the video below so you can watch it in case you haven't seen it yet. Since the video was published, more than 10 million people viewed it, and I received many heartfelt messages from people who were touched by Augie's tenacity, resilience, and also his zest for life. While caring for this little guy, I was reminded by him of so many lessons that can serve us all on this journey of life. And that's why I will record a few videos for you where I will share with you the life lessons that Augie wants you and me to remember. And I start out with the first lesson, that is, focus on what you do have, not what you don't have. When Augie came to my home, he could not use his hind legs. Additionally, he had a serious injury on his right hind leg that left his paw deformed. And then a few weeks later, a vet diagnosed that he had neurological problems and that most likely he would never be able to walk properly. What a bummer. For me, but not for Augie. Throughout this journey, Augie never felt sorry for himself. He didn't compare himself with other dogs or sit in the corner being depressed because they could run around but he couldn't. Instead, he focused on his front legs. Why? Because they worked just fine and they got stronger every day. Nothing held this little guy back. He has always been determined to go where he wanted to go because he stayed focused on the front legs that worked and that he could use instead of the hind legs that didn't work properly yet. If your life has been turned upside down right now, don't focus on what you don't have, but focus on what you do have. Let's start out by thinking about all the things that most people take for granted every day. Our eyesight, our health, the ability to walk, the ability to drive somewhere, a roof over our head, the family and friends around us, the pen that allows us to write, the flowers in the front yard, the switch that turns on the electricity. I can go on and on and on. Focus on the things that you have and focus on the things that work. What you focus on expands. Having Augie in my life for that long of a time helped me appreciate all the things that I have been taking for granted, not only in myself, but also for my other dogs. So here's my question for you. What would you like to focus on and expand in the next 4 months? Do you want to have more peace of mind? Do you want to feel more vital? Do you want to be more productive at your job? Or do you want to find another job? Or do you want to resolve a behavioral issue in your dog? If you come up with one thing that you want to expand and that you want to focus on to improve in the next 4 months, I invite you to my upcoming introductory workshop called Become the Person Your Dog Inspires You to Be. The workshops are on Tuesday night, July the 21st and Thursday night, July 23rd at 7 p.m. on Zoom. The fee is free. The link where you can sign up is below. I would love for you to join us so that you can get inspired by your dog the way Augie inspired me. I so look forward to seeing you there.